Hi friends, it's Miss Jillian, one of the speech therapists over at the Early Childhood Center. And today we're going to be following Bluebird around and seeing where he goes. So in speech therapy, we practice what's called spatial concepts or different locations. So kids, I want you to see if you can follow along with me and find where Bluebird goes. Blue is going on an adventure today. Let's see where he goes. First, Bluebird flies under the sun. There he is, under the sun. Next, Bluebird flies above a cloud. Above the cloud, I see him. Then Bluebird flies onto a tree branch. He is on the branch. He needs a rest. After his rest, Bluebird is thirsty. He flies to the fountain. Then Bluebird flies next to his friend's house. I see Bluebird next to the house. Finally, Bluebird flies into his nest. He is in the nest. He is happy to be at home. And now we are done with our Bluebird activity. I hope you had fun with that. Now let's see if you can tell mom or dad or a brother or sister where to put things. So you can practice with a stuffed animal or a car or even yourself. Where will you go? Will you go under the table? Will you sit on the chair? Maybe you'll go under the covers of your bed. You can practice these concepts at home, make it fun, and enjoy playing. See you next time.